Naia is filling in all the properties we expect from a good fabric. It's a fantastic answer to a lot of questions from the consumer.
It's quite unique. It has benefits. It's more than a normal natural fiber, and it's more comfortable comparing synthetic fibers.
It looks wonderful, it feels wonderful, and I spread the news to my customers because my experience with Naia is totally positive.
The main changes I observed during the last years are not so much how women have changed, but how the industry has changed. It's the supply chain management that has ruled the lingerie world. People forgot the consumer or forgot the woman very often. Now there's a wild search going on for sustainable products. People are looking for new answers. They are looking for products with the message. What I know from Naia and what I expect from a fiber brand is a solution.
We get a lot of supporting from Naia to understand the fiber benefit, technical background. We design the products per customer needs together, and we also got a lot of technical supporting for the production process for intimate fabric.
A beautiful natural product where it's sourced and its production is verified. It's a natural source. That is a very important part. There are multiple qualities towards Naia. It's soft, it breathes, it's very easy to blend, easy to use. And beauty, because we expect also that it's not just a sustainable fabric, it fits in to the market of today.
Naia works well in their performance, in the hand feel, the luxury, the comfort, and the cooling fit the consumer's needs.
It's a very big plus that it's much more easy to care. It's in low-key luxury. It's also comfortable.
When I touch a fabric, it has to be soft. You wear it against your skin, and I think softness is number one characteristics. It's a beautiful product to work with.
You can really print all kinds of ways, from hand-painted tie and dye aspects to the most photographic motifs. I do see a lot of possibilities for Naia fabrics. What comes in my mind is versatility. It is in knitted, it's in woven, in so many different ways and weights. You can use all kinds of colors. Basically, it's endless.
You enter into jogging wear, you enter into outerwear, because the idea of a silky touch combined with naturalness is a good idea.
From fiber to the end consumer really needs to have a connection with each other. And again, it sounds as if it is of course already so obvious, but let us do it together.